In discussions for new phone systems, we always hear about people's fears. And that fear may be, my internet connection is not very good quality and I don't want my phones running over the internet. Or I'm concerned about voice privacy because my voice is being carried over the internet. Or what if my power goes off, or I have an issue with my network, all these things. They think about losing their phone numbers. So I don't want to risk losing my numbers if I move to another provider. And if you have those fears, you need to talk with a provider and not try to go directly to someone online to buy a phone system. We find that so much research is being done online, and when you look at the vendors online, you may think that it's simple and you can do it yourself, but you'll have fears that can't possibly be addressed that way. So find someone to talk to that's knowledgeable, that's been through these things, and we can help a lot with the fear. Can't be eliminated, but definitely can be made very manageable.